Hello.
Hello,
Hi,
nice
good
to see you.
yes, good morning and welcome back to my class, Emmy. How are you today?
I'm good, thanks for asking. How about
That's
you?
good to hear. Yeah, I'm pretty good as well. Thanks for asking. I'm okay. Doing great. Yes. Oh, I can see you chose topic talk 4. Is that right?
Yes, that's right. By the way,
Travel.
I finished number one and number two.
Ah,
I'd
okay.
like to try number three question role play, please.
All right, so let's have a role play. This is very interesting. Okay. All right, so let me read the instruction for you. Imagine that you're in the following situation and
Mm,
perform a role play activity with your teacher. Okay, that's
okay,
me, using the new words or phrases. So
okay,
first, I'll be A and you will be B. And then
okay,
after that, we're going to switch roles, okay?
okay,
All right,
okay.
now please read aloud situation A and B in English.
Okay. A wants to go to Egypt. B wants to go to Hawaii.
Yes, okay, so we will have a role play this time using the words and expressions. All right, are you
Okay,
ready?
okay, okay.
Okay. Oh, hi, Emmy. How are you?
Hi,
It's good to
I'm
see
good.
you. You know what? I like to go to Egypt. How about
Yeah.
you?
Yeah, I'd like to go to Egypt someday. However, now I feel stressful every day.
Oh, I see.
I'd like to go to Hawaii.
Ah, really? Oh, that's good as well. But you know what? I like to see the Great Pyramid of Giza. It's one of the
Yeah, yeah.
seven wonders of the world. Very
Mm,
nice. Yeah. It's a must-see site.
yeah.
How about you?
Mm,
Are there some like
mm,
World Heritage site or great nature
mm.
in Hawaii?
Yeah, I agree with you. Seven worlds,
Hmm.
worlds of the world is amazing.
Ah, yes.
However, I'd like to see great nature in Hawaii. Hawaii
Wow.
Island are lots of very beautiful natural scenery,
Oh,
and
wow.
moreover, I will take it easy
Oh,
at
wow.
Hawaii in the beach.
Yeah.
And Egypt is very far away from Japan.
Yes.
Changing airplane is troublesome for me.
Oh, yeah. That's true. That's true. Well, yes, and Hawaii has a good reputation, right?
Yeah, yeah,
Yes.
yeah, yes.
Yeah, but from my point of view,
Yeah,
it's so exciting to see the pyramid,
yeah.
and the mummies in Egypt.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, nice.
yeah,
Yeah,
exactly, exactly.
yeah,
So, wow, that's great. Very good.
yeah.
This
Thank you.
this time, let's switch the roles,
Okay,
okay?
okay,
So,
okay. I
I'll
want to go to Egypt. Okay,
yes, please start. Okay.
okay. Hey, Eric.
Hi,
Have
Emmy.
you? Hi. I am so excited.
Oh, really?
I am planning to go to Egypt. I want
Egypt?
to see Great Pyramid of Giza. Uh, how
Oh,
about
really?
you?
Have you like check or read some reviews or feedback about going to
Yeah,
Egypt? No, I think
yeah,
it's difficult. I can take it easy on at that place because there are like wars going on
mm,
in that place, so I think it's difficult. So yeah,
yeah,
from my point of view, okay.
yeah. I understand. However, if I go to Egypt too, I will not. I will not understand Egypt traditional culture, but
Ah.
also I will experience
Mm-hmm.
Egyptian local food.
Oh, I see. Yeah, but I want to go to Hawaii. I want to like see the great nature over
Yeah, yeah.
there.
Mm,
And not only to go on vacation, but also
yeah,
to really relax and to
yeah,
enjoy and to meet my friends there.
yeah. Oh, you're
Yeah,
from there,
yeah,
yeah.
yeah. Yeah, I have a lot
Sounds
of friends
nice.
there.
Mm. I know Hawaii have a lot of must-see sites.
Ah,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah, yeah, I know. However, uh, recently, I'd like to try to study ancient
Oh,
people, and
really?
I'd like to study more in
Mm-hmm.
Egypt. I'd like to go to museum
Oh,
in
wow.
Egypt. Egypt museum
I
have
see.
has amazing uh, exhibition.
Oh, wow. That's amazing. And the seven wonders of the world, right? You can see it
Yes,
there.
yes, I think so.
I don't know if there are some World Heritage site in
No,
Egypt.
yeah,
Are
yeah.
there? Are there some World
No.
Heritage site?
Mm.
Oh, that's also
Yes,
good. That's also good.
yes,
Okay.
yes.
But I still like to go to Hawaii. There are many
Yeah, yeah,
Filipinos and Japanese people there.
yeah, I
Yeah.
understand.
So,
From my
yeah.
point of view, I'd like to see sunset, uh,
Ah,
sunset
I
with
see.
pyramid.
Wow.
But, it will be very beautiful. it
Right.
mm, it will be
Memorable.
memorable.
Oh, yes, yes, yes. Oh,
I'd
well,
like
yeah.
to see.
That's a good point too.
Yeah,
All right, we did
thank you.
great, Emmy. Congratulations. That was so
Thank you.
great. So alive.
Thank you.
Good job. All right, so now we will move on to number four,
Okay.
discussion, okay?
Yes, yes.
All right, so here you're going to express your idea or your opinion using the words or expressions that you've learned as
Okay.
much as
Okay.
possible. So let's start with the topic, okay? The first topic. So let me read the first topic to you. Number one, do you check any reviews of destination before traveling?
No, I don't.
Oh,
No, I don't.
no, okay.
I don't take any reviews of destination before traveling. It's troublesome for me.
Troublesome. Yes, yes,
And
yeah.
always, I read guidebook on the plane,
Ah, the
airplane,
guidebook. Not.
and on the airplane, and I decide to go to destination uh,
Mm,
on the airplane.
on the airplane, yes, yes, yes. No need for you to check the reviews
Yeah,
and feedback,
yes,
right? Yeah,
yeah.
that's
No,
very.
some review is uh, I believe some reviews. However,
Mm-hmm.
I don't believe some other
Yeah,
reputation in online, especially online. Online
exactly.
information uh, online information sometimes wrong.
Yes, that's very true.
Not
Yes,
true.
that's right. So you can't rely all the online information, right?
Yeah,
Now, so those feedback or review, it
yeah,
could be some of those are not true, right?
yeah. I think so.
Maybe, yes. But yeah, of course, if you really want to go to some
Yeah,
places you haven't been yet there, so it's like if you can read some reviews that are troublesome, it will just
yeah,
bother you, right? It will just bother you.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
I got your point.
I believe most of what of
Mm,
local people, they
yes,
local people suggest or recommend me
exactly.
sightseeing place. Maybe it's good for me.
Yeah, exactly, exactly. Yeah, so it's a lot better, to ask those who already went
Yeah,
there, right?
yeah, I think so.
Yeah. Okay, very good. How about number two? Imagine that you are going to go to Paris next
Mm.
month. Okay, so which do you prefer? A package tour or a free tour? Okay,
No.
why?
Okay, I prefer a free tour. Uh, because if I take a package tour, uh, I I must uh, go to place
Mm-hmm.
that I don't want to go.
Ah,
And
yeah,
the schedule
that's
is
true.
very tough. Schedule is very tough, and
Mm-hmm.
I don't have free time.
Yes,
I need to more free time, and I'd like to go to place where I want to go.
exactly. Yes, that's right. And you don't want to waste your time, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
However, I am not good at speaking English or French, and I am worried about.
Yeah, but you will enjoy more, right? If it's a free
Yeah.
tour
Mm,
because you have
mm.
the freedom to choose
Yeah, yeah.
which place you would like to go first, second, third,
Yeah,
until
yeah.
the last time, the last place. That's good. Very good choice. I like it. All right, let's